What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to open a web browser on your PS5 console. First of all, we need to check if the controller is connected and we need to keep track of the steps because this is a bit tricky. So now we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to network, then we go to view PlayStation network status. On here, we want to scroll down to more, click on the more button here. From here, we want to choose United States, our location, United States. Then from here, we're going to scroll down to the official social media page for PlayStation. We click on the YouTube icon. We wait for it to load. Now we click on the YouTube icon. Once we click on it, it's going to lead us to PlayStation YouTube page. And once we're here, we can scroll down. So we go to the left side of it. We scroll down from the left side of it. We click on privacy and we wait for the privacy page to load. Now that we are here, I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom of the page, the bottomest bottom of the page on the right. Now that we're here, we're gonna click on Google, and then we're gonna go to the official Google page. And here we have our web browser. You can search basically anything on here. You can watch anything on here. And there you have it, your browser. And that will be all for the tutorial for today. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.